Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we are kind of cooking out of...
Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. That wonderful cookbook.
Yes, I say kind of because
Yeah.
recipes are completely organic, not in like the certification way, but like organic and how they grow and they flow and they change. Just over time and over our preference. And literally, I think just a month ago, we did Ann's favorite breakfast, Ann's Warrior Oats that she eats every day of her life.
I have it every day. I love it. I would never not have it. But occasionally, Jane, just occasionally.
Well, the occasion of the last month.
I have something different. And I did this the other day, and it is so good.
So if you're kind of following along with what Ann's kind of doing, it's in this cookbook, Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease. It's on page 43. And I say kind of because you'll see she's not following exactly.
So here I have 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats, just old-fashioned oats that I put in my bowl. And Jane, I would like to have you put in a tablespoon of flaxseed meal. I always have that for omega-3. And then she will also put in a little bit of chia. You don't need to do one, you can do one or the other, but why not? But then Jane is going to add some amla powder. And amla powder, I tell you, I've got to give you again, if you have never heard, the amazing power of amla.
AMLA.
AMLA is the Indian gooseberry all ground up, and the leaves of the gooseberry. It's a rich source of vitamin C. It helps control glucose levels. It's good for diabetics, especially good for diabetics. It boosts immunity. It's higher antioxidants than anything. It lowers LDL. It inhibits oxidation and reduces plaque formation. It's as powerful as statins. It reduces blood pressure. It reduces cholesterol, including triglycerides. And believe it or not, it helps prevent aging and graying hair. And
that's why I have lightening hair, not gray hair. Shazam!
It helps in constipation and it improves your eyesight. So why not give it a try? A little amla can't hurt. Now, here we have oats, chia and flax seed, and the flax is always ground, otherwise it goes right through you. And now I am going to add the grapefruit. Now I'm going to ask you, Jane, to squeeze the juice of that in here. And into here I have put some grapefruit that I have cut up.
So those sections came from here.
The sections from there. I have to show you this grapefruit. Can you believe how huge it is? It's actually too huge. But what the key thing about finding a grapefruit is make sure it's heavy. And this grapefruit was nice and heavy, so I loved it. And into here
do you usually put the whole grapefruit in?
So what I do, I have cut the little sections out.
Wait.
And here, Jane, here you can see I have gone around the sections like this.
I know, but
wait, can you see?
We're asking if you do both halves of the grapefruit.
Of course.
Okay, you just said no. Trying to follow along here. So you put both.
I'm putting the whole grapefruit.
Okay, got it.
That other big one is so big.
That might be too much. It might be a flood.
That I thought it would be a flood. And then now I'm cutting these around, and then I just slip them right in.
Wait, can you see that? Mm-hmm. Here, turn yourself this way.
Wait, Jane.
So you can see. Those do look so juicy.
I mean, it's just so juicy.
So a heavier grapefruit is a juicier grapefruit because water is so heavy, and and God, look at all that, just all that fiber and like not sinew, but like plants.
Yes.
Plants don't have bones; they have fiber that gives them shape and sections.
And then I'm going to squeeze all this juice in. So
wow, look at that! Just
look at that! Oh my gosh! Have you squeezed well, Jane?
Yeah. Here, you try to squeeze this one. I'll try to squeeze yours. The other half, I should say.
All right, done. But we aren't done yet.
Hold on,
Jane.
There's more juice. There's more juice coming out. Yeah. Look at all that. I thought you wanted.
Oh! Stop. Now, you have another job, Jane.
I'm just recycling. I'm not.
Each grape,
I'm.
I have 6 or 7 grapes or
composter.
whatever. My knife.
I was assuming you
And
wanted me to
each
cut it.
grape I'm going to cut in thirds. Because every bite is a grape and a little grapefruit. And I'm telling you, it is amazing, and there is no other liquid added. No alternative milks or anything.
Non-dairy
This
milk.
does it. And if you choose, you could add at the top a little.
This is like a little watermelon. It looks like water. You know.
I mean, really, just isn't that amazing?
Oh, I cut it in fourths. So.
And then I was just thinking today that, see, look at that. I just can hardly wait. In fact, I don't think I'm going to be able to share a bite with Wade today because
Oh, we're all clamoring to have a bite.
and then I'm just going to put some.
What are those?
These are wild blueberries. When you eat blueberries, get the frozen wild ones because they have 2 times the amount of antioxidants as the regular blueberries. So I always buy the wild blueberries frozen. And that's it. It's done. It is the best. Wait, anybody want a bite? Jane, you don't.
Well, no,
No, you can't because and look, every bite has got a grape and a
I want a bite, but I have to go. I'm gonna go take my Invisalign off. Okay, now I can have a bite. All right, I have a little bit of grape, a little bit of grapefruit, a little bit of blueberry, and some oats, and I'm gonna get some juice. Okay. How would you describe it?
It's got a crunch and just a delicious taste.
It's like everything's happening. It's so grapefruit, sweet, and the oats are good.
We'll give Wade a bite.
Yeah, Wade, here you go. Here you go.
This looks like it's going to be an explosion of flavor in my mouth.
It's got, yeah, it's I got a little bit of, where's the grapefruit?
I don't see a
Do you
grape.
like grapefruits okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to like them today. All right.
They're not too bad.
They're perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a lot happening.
There's a lot going on.
Isn't
It's very good.
it good?
There's a lot going on.
That's a impactful
It's a
cereal.
good morning to you.
Yeah, it'll wake you up.
How funny. All right. Hey, well, let's,
Okay, we're done.
I know, but I want to ask, what will you add to your oats?
You don't need to add anything, Jane.
Oh, no,
Everything's there.
To
hardly-
the recipe on page 43 of Anne's Oats and Grapes. She's added grapefruit and
Grapes,
grapes and
some frozen
wild blueberries.
wild blueberries.
And almond powdered chia and flax seed meal. Okay, this original recipe she made here. If you watch our channel for a long time, you heard us talk about this. That Anne's oats with grapes was not a recipe that we had on our list of recipes, because when you make a cookbook and you're going to do a photo shoot, you have to think of what you want to take a picture of. Then you have to go to the store and buy a ton of food, and then prep the food like 75, 85, 90% of the way done. So when the photographer comes, it can be toasted, roasted, stirred, fresh, ready to go. So we're getting everything ready to go, and the photographer's there, focusing her camera, and Anna comes down the stairs eating her non-breakfast. This is like 8 years ago. She's eating her bowl of oats with just sliced grapes. And the photographer's focusing on all this stuff I'm working on, and she goes, "Oh, Anne, that's beautiful." And I'm like, "No, Donna, that's not a recipe. That's not in the book." And she's like, "Well, hold on." And she goes on Anne's breakfast and gets this beautiful picture.
And guess what?
And so it gets shoehorned into the book, and not only the book, it made the flippin' cover of our cookbook, the non-recipe recipe. There it is, Anne's Oats and Grapes.
But that happened to have strawberries.
Oh, raspberries.
Or raspberries. No, those are strawberries.
Raspberries.
Anyway, on the cover.
So she's got some magic touch, and give it a go if you want to try it. All right. Tell us how
Bye.
you enjoy your
Oats with grapes and grapefruit.
Okay, bye. Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
Have we started?
Yeah.
I'm